Hello, ESL2. I hope you're well. Let's talk about what you're going to do today. First of all, in the Wednesday folder, you have a lesson on paraphrasing. So you should watch this lesson first, and then you should do this attached assignment as part of the PDF. It actually has the same slides as the lesson that you'll see. And then your work is on the last few slides. So don't get confused that these look the same. This is how to do it, and this is where you're going to do it. Just wanted you to have the instructions there as well. And then just a couple of quick notes. Don't forget to view Lesson 4, Outlining Your Conclusion, which is now attached to the outline assignment. We'll look at that in a second. And a reminder that we have our WebEx tomorrow at 10:05, and that's the room number. So if you go to your outline for expository essay, I now have lessons 1, 2, 3, and 4 in a weird order. But I also better labeled the examples at each stage that I have. So the lesson you're going to watch today is Outlining the Conclusion. And this PDF is my example of what it looks like when you're done, which will be a completed essay, because in tomorrow's WebEx, we're going to talk about going from the essay, or from the outline to the essay. So you'll have, a completed outline as of the end of Wednesday, if you can. Okay? So I hope to talk to you tomorrow, which is Thursday, in the WebEx. But for now, be finishing up this outline and doing the assignment on paraphrasing. Good luck.